Listen up. At the end of this video, we will share the winning AI Keno numbers to this hand pay. Also, we will give you AI suggested Keno numbers and some of our lucky Keno numbers used in today's bonus rounds. Let's get started. Okay, I captured this 4 out of 4 win while in regular casino play, only to illustrate the strategy of mix AI Keno numbers with your lucky Keno numbers. Pause or make a note to copy these free Keno numbers. Okay, let's move on and share a lucky AI 5 spot already in progress. Yes, remember AI can track Keno numbers that come up more often at casino play. However, all AI have different methods of analyzing the casino data. Subscribe for more AI Keno strategies. Let's look at a Google Bard AI suggested 5 spot already in progress. Yes, another AI Keno strategy is change your Keno numbers often and it changes the Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more AI Keno strategies. When you win like this, leave a comment below. Okay, let's go on to our first bonus round. Okay, before we look at the hand pay video, we want to share a 7th spot at the upper right of the Keno card. These AI Keno numbers are winners for 2024. Want to win at Keno? Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers and AI strategies. Okay, let's check out the 7th spot. Okay, the bet is 10 and the coin is 5. Okay, 3 out of 7. Okay, start. Come on, Cleo, let's go. Cool. 4 out of 7, 60 credits. Yes. Yes, another 4 out of 7. Be sure and write these Keno numbers down. Last play coming up. All right, 140 credits for the bonus. Okay, not bad. 150 credits total. Listen up. When you win with these Keno numbers, leave a comment below. Okay, time to watch the hand pay and the AI Keno numbers. Let's go. Okay, this 9 spot upper left is very lucky. Use the AI Keno numbers as a 5 spot or combine them with your lucky Keno numbers. Yes, want to win at Keno? Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers and strategies. Okay, let's watch this jackpot already in progress. Okay, the bet is 3 and the coin is $1. Yes, on the 10th Keno play, Cleo gave us an 8 out of 9. Very cool. Let's go ahead and finish this jackpot. Okay, 1 out of 9, we'll take it. By the way, listen up. What are you waiting for? Write these Keno numbers down and be a winner at Keno. Last play coming up. Yes, 1,212 credits.
Skippy, Skippy. That's me, happy. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance.
Yes, want to win at Keno? Subscribe and win a jackpot now. We share all our Keno numbers, so join the YouTube AI Keno community and play these Keno numbers. Also, when you win a jackpot, leave a comment below. Okay, beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.